Hello, guys. So the quote of today is day by day, little by little, what is meant for you will find its way to you.
I beg you.
What
I
again?
beg. What do you talk? Not they deceive the youth. What do you talk now? Which kind of quote?
Day by day, little by little, what is meant for them will find its way to them.
Nah lie, never. If you not get up, boss, what is meant for you, not go see you. You not go locate you. Go find them. What
are you talking about?
No, sit down. Not go hustle. Say what is meant for you. Go. You go come knock for your door now. Who be that? It's me. Oh, opportunity. You can say but opportunity knock but once. Why did you knock twice? He said because I'm what is meant for you. I've been looking for you. I'm your hustle. I'll be your money. My brother, get up. Oh, get up. Go find what they there. No, you not go come meet you.
What I'm trying to say is that
you are not saying anything. If you sit down for dinner, then you go sit down. What is meant for you go come meet you. Hungry don't kill you. You go meet your brother.